Listen up, you culinary champions. In the high-stakes world of food service, your walk-in cooler is your best mate. It's the heart of your operation, keeping ingredients fresh and your customers happy. But just like any vital organ, it needs proper care to function at its best. Neglect it, and you'll be facing a whole world of hurt-wasted ingredients, unhappy diners, and a big dent in your profits. We're not talking rocket science here, people. Maintaining your walk-in cooler and freezer is straightforward. A bit of effort goes a long way. Trust me, a well-maintained cooler is an investment that pays off big time. So, let's get down to business and learn how to keep your cool, literally. First things first, food safety. It's not a joke. A walk-in cooler that's past its prime is a breeding ground for bacteria. We're talking about throwing away perfectly good food, skyrocketing costs, and even putting your customers' health at risk. No one wants a food poisoning lawsuit, right? Keeping your cooler clean and at the right temperature stops spoilage in its tracks. Your ingredients stay fresher for longer. That means less waste, lower costs, and happier customers. And when your customers are happy, your business thrives. Remember, efficiency is key in a busy kitchen. A well-organized walk-in cooler saves you precious time and energy. No more rummaging through a chaotic mess for that last container of tomatoes. Now let's talk about daily upkeep. It's the little things that make a big difference. First up, spills. Don't let them fester. Wipe them down immediately. A clean cooler is a happy cooler. Next, check your stock. Throw out anything past its prime. Don't even think about serving expired ingredients. Your customers deserve the best, and so does your reputation. Finally, a quick sweep at the end of the day does wonders. It keeps dirt and debris from building up and causing bigger problems down the line. Weekly wins deep cleaning for peak performance. One day a week, it's time to roll up your sleeves and give your walk-in cooler a proper deep clean. Empty it out completely. Give the walls, floors, and shelves a good scrub with hot soapy water. Don't forget the door handles and seals, they're germ magnets. While you're at it, take a look at those condenser coils. Dust and grime can build up and reduce their efficiency. A quick vacuum will keep things running smoothly. Remember, a clean cooler is an efficient cooler, and an efficient cooler means lower energy bills and a happier planet. Everyone wins. Monthly must-dos, staying ahead of the game. Once a month it's time for a more thorough inspection. Check the door seals for any cracks or tears. A tight seal is crucial for maintaining the right temperature. Next, inspect the drains for clogs. A blocked drain can lead to water damage and mold growth. Not a good look, right? Finally, keep an eye out for ice buildup in the freezer. Excessive ice can reduce efficiency and damage the unit. If you see a significant amount, it's time to defrost. Temperature control and beyond. Expert tips from Atlantic Refrigeration Canada. Maintaining the correct temperature is crucial for food safety and preventing spoilage. Invest in a reliable thermometer and check it regularly. Your cooler should be set between 33 and 40 degrees Fahrenheit, while your freezer should be at 0 degrees Fahrenheit or below. Now let's talk about efficiency. Keep those doors closed as much as possible. Every time the door opens, warm air rushes in, forcing the unit to work harder. Train your staff to be mindful of this. Organization is key. Keep your inventory organized and labeled. This will make it easier to find what you need quickly, reducing the amount of time the door is open. Finally, remember that prevention is better than cure. Regular maintenance from a qualified technician can prevent costly breakdowns and extend the lifespan of your equipment. That's where Atlantic Refrigeration Canada comes in.